Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without full restrictions. Funny food jokes. Peach is the friend who says I'm shy while stealing the spotlight. Carrot said, eat me for better eyesight. Now I can clearly see. Mango is the friend who says I'm fine while being the star of the table. Lime is the life of the party, especially in drinks. Pear says I'm not weird, I'm uniquely designed. Kiwi looks tough on the outside but inside total sweetheart. Blueberry is tiny, quiet, and suddenly makes everything better. Eggplant is proof that confidence comes in purple. Sweet potato reminds us simple roots are sweet results. Turnip says I'm not be popular but I'm still invited to the table. Coconut walks in like I'm tropical, deal with it. Mushroom walks in like I'm humble but unforgettable, basically undercover VIP veggies world. Ginger walks in like I'm small but powerful, respect the spice, leave lasting impression. Red beans stick together because teamwork tastes better. Peanut is tiny, confident, and never afraid to get roasted. Croissant wakes up every morning saying I was born fancy. Waffles is basically a hug can eat, walks in like syrup or no syrup, I'm sweet enough. Pancake walks in like stack me up, I'm ready to shine, proof a sweetness comes in layer. Bacon may be greasy but it's still full of charm, basically the VIP of breakfast table. Sandwich keeps everything together just like a good friend. Pretzel twists life lessons into something fun.